I'm Dr. Lynn Westfall.
My name is Dr. Carolyn Givens.
My name is Dr. Mira Shaw.
I'm Dr. Diana Chunkin.
My name is Dr. Allison Peck.
I am really excited about this book.
Everything egg freezing is something that I actually present to all of my patients.
This is a wonderful guide and a wonderful resource.
If you're thinking about freezing your eggs, I highly recommend you grab a copy.
This book is really complementary to the counseling that I do with my patients.
I really think it's important that when a patient is considering freezing their eggs, that they get as much information as they can.
It's going to be not about how many eggs you make, but about how good your eggs are. And if there's anything that we can do to improve the quality of eggs that we're freezing, it'll be in this book.
What the process entails, what are the risks, what are the benefits, how do you get prepared for it.
It is both funny and educational.
This is a truly amazing book.
A best friend next to you that can help guide you.
I look forward to sharing with all my patients.